Okay, so today's project, we're going to be taking off this old door and we're going to be putting this on. You know, this stuff is all pretty rotted and falling apart, but we've got some solid beam and I've got some longer screws. I mean, this isn't going to be perfect, but it should be lockable. We'll make it that way anyway. We'll have to get some hardware. I'll find some around here, but anyway, let's get started. Okay, we got the old one out. I put this other door in. There we go. You know, I was gonna monkey with all this stuff. This thing, you don't go in and out of this thing all the time. You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna get a hasp. A hasp with the padlock. This way I don't have to reinforce this because anybody can break into it with doorknobs. So yeah, you can see how straight the place is, but it is what it is, and we now got a door. It's pretty heavy duty, and so that should work. All we got to do is get a hasp and a lock, and this one's done.